Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, we're doing something a little bit different and I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing a Zeelool glasses try-on haul / review. I'm just gonna be showing you guys the glasses and telling you how I feel about them. I got 6 pairs, but oh my goodness, you guys. Zeelool has so many glasses to pick from on their website. They have so many different options. I love their website. I feel like I could literally just sit there and scroll for hours and just look at all the pretty glasses. They definitely have something for everybody. And a lot of you guys probably don't know, but I do wear prescription glasses, and the great thing about Zeelool is that they do have prescription glasses. You can also get blue light blocking glasses, and if you just want to wear glasses for like the look of them or the style, you can get absolutely no prescription in them and just do like a 0 power and, you know, just wear them like that. And also, if you're like me and you're staring at a computer screen basically all day long, then you're going to want to check out some blue light blocking glasses. They're going to work great for you. But anyways, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get into these glasses. So they all come packaged like this. Really pretty. I love the packaging. This like light gray, I just think it's so pretty. I'll show you guys up close there so you can see a little bit better, but really nice. And what I love about this too, you guys, in the bag here, obviously you do get your glasses, but you also get a cleaning wipe, and for me that's just an essential. When I'm wearing my glasses, I need a cleaning wipe. I always have one in my purse, so I love that. But like I said, let's go ahead and try on these glasses. So the first pair I have here, these are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. They're probably going to be a little bit hard to see right now, but I will show you up close. Also, I am going to go ahead and pop up the names of the glasses on screen because they do all have individual names, and I just think that's so cute. But these are so gorgeous. I love these. So you can see them a little bit better now. These are so pretty, you guys. I love the detail on these glasses, the pink in the back there. They also do kind of have like a rose gold on them as well. So cute. And they also just feel really good quality. So let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, I love these so much, you guys. I think they're so cute. They're very different, and that's what I like about them. That's one thing about Zeelool. Like I said, they have so many different options, and I wanted to try something a little bit more outside my comfort zone, and these are definitely that. I just think they're so pretty. Like, they're unique, but they're also very simple at the same time, and I love that. They also just feel very comfortable. That's one thing about glasses, and I feel like if you do wear glasses, then you know this for a fact. But sometimes glasses just can be so uncomfortable, but these feel so nice on the face. They're very light, but they feel really good quality. Like, I'm just so impressed with these. I know for a fact I'm gonna be wearing these literally all the time. But what do you guys think? I love them. I love the color of them. Let me know in the comments once I'm done trying everything on, which style was your favorite. I know this is the first pair that I tried on, but I'm in love with these. Now, I will say these do have the little nose pieces on the inside there, so if you do wear makeup, that's probably going to obviously remove it a little bit, but honestly, not a big deal at all. I also forgot to say this, but I love the shape of these. They're almost like a hexagon, sort of, or something like that. Very different, like I said earlier, but also very simplistic at the same time. And I love these. Absolutely a 10 out of 10. All right, next pair. I'm super excited. Look at these, you guys. So pretty. So these are definitely that like cat eye style, and the color, so pretty. Look at these up close, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love the ombre on these as well, how it goes from like a dark blue to lighter at the bottom there. Just so cute. And I love this part on the glasses as well. They're gold and then they go into the blue. All right, so let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, I gotta say, you guys, I love the cat eye. Honestly, it's just one of my favorite styles of glasses. These are definitely bigger than the typical glasses that I go for, but I really like them. They also, again, feel super light on the face. Even though they're a way bigger frame than the last ones, they still feel super light, which I love. What do you guys think of these? I love them. I think the last ones are still my favorite, but these are just so pretty, and I feel like these would look really good with like an all black outfit since they do have a little bit of color on them. And that's also very different for me as well, because I typically go for glasses that are just completely neutral, but I love this pop of color. It's very subtle, but it's just there, you know what I mean? Super pretty. I also love this tiny little detail right there. I think that's super cute. So these ones, unlike the other ones, do not have that nose piece there, so you should be fine in regards to makeup. All right, this next pair, I'm so excited about these, you guys. I've been loving green lately, and now that it's like kind of sort of getting into the fall months a little bit, we still have a little bit to go, but we're getting there. I feel like dark green is going to be such a pretty color, and these are so cute. I can't get over them. Just look at these glasses, you guys. It may be a little hard to see because of the lighting, but they are all dark green. Just such a beautiful color. And then they almost have like this star detail over in the corners there. So pretty. They're kind of sort of the same style as the last ones I showed here, but they are a little bit wider and not so much of like a harsh cat eye, but I can't wait to try these on. So these are definitely the biggest ones yet, but honestly, I really like them. So like I said, they're not as much of a like a straight out cat eye as the other ones, but they still give that effect. And I just think they're really different and pretty. It's definitely something I wouldn't typically go for, but I'm so glad that I got them because this green is just so gorgeous. I would say these ones are definitely the heaviest yet so far, you know, out of the first two that we tried on. These ones are definitely a little bit heavier. They're still super comfy, but they just have a little bit more weight to them. Also, you guys, how I was mentioning, you know, how much I love this color green. What I love about Zeelool's website is if you like a style of glasses, but you're not necessarily into a certain color, majority of the time they do have different color options, so you can kind of choose, you know, if you want to do neutrals, you can do obviously a black. If you want to do something a little bit more different, you can do red, green, obviously, blue. They have a bunch of different colors. I'm not sure about this exact style, if they have many colors for this or if they just do the green, but like I said, majority of the time on their website they do have a lot of different color options. I don't want to take these off, you guys. They're so cute. And again, I'm going to mention this for every single pair that I show because I know a lot of people are curious about this, but these do not have the nose piece. All right, moving on, you guys. These next ones I'm going to show you are definitely the biggest. I have no idea how they're going to look on me. I don't know if they're going to suit me that well, but I just wanted to try something different, and I really like the color of these, and the style is also just really nice as well. Very different, but also very me at the same time. All right, so this is what they look like. I love the color on these. So neutral, so up my alley, and they're also kind of like clear at the same time. They're like a clear brown. I just think it's really neat and different. And like I was saying with these as well, I love the like shape of these, the style. I think it's really nice. All right, so here they are. Like I said, definitely the biggest ones yet. You know, I'm definitely not used to wearing glasses this big, but to be honest, I actually don't think they look bad at all. And surprisingly, I figured these would be like pretty heavy since they are so big, but they're extremely light. I feel like I'm not even wearing anything. They're so light. But the color of these, you guys, is what totally drew me in. Again, like I was saying about the green pair, I feel like this color would be so nice for fall. Let me know what you guys think though. Do you think these suit me? Do you think I should go a little bit smaller? I don't really know. Like I said, not used to wearing glasses this big. I think the more I wear these, obviously the more I'm gonna get used to them. I think these would also really suit, like if you had your hair down maybe and like tucked behind your ears, I think that would look really nice as well. Again, with these, no nose piece. Also, what I want to say about every single pair of glasses that I have so far, they're not stiff whatsoever. You know, sometimes when you get a pair of glasses and like the arms, you can barely move them, they're so stiff, or they're really flimsy. These feel great. The quality on everything so far is just top notch. I'm honestly like so impressed. All right, so the next ones I am so excited about. These are beautiful, you guys. This is what they look like up close. Again, we kind of have that cat eye style, but the colors, oh my goodness, this light pink, and then we have like a gold in the back there. These are so pretty. Okay, I have no words. I think these are my favorite so far. These are beautiful, you guys. The shape, the color, everything about these I am obsessed with. I feel like they're also kind of like the perfect size for my face as well. I love these. I already know it. I'm gonna be wearing these legit all the time. These are amazing. Again, so light on the face, so comfy. Nothing is like hurting me. They fit perfectly on the face as well. It's such a nice fit. Like nice and snug, but nothing overly tight. I give these a 10 billion out of 10. I love these so much, you guys. I can't tell you enough how much I'm obsessed with these. They kind of give me like librarian vibes a little bit. I think just like the style, but the color, I can't get over the color. I love these, if you couldn't tell. And also, again, you guys, no nose piece on these as well. I actually think I only got one pair with the nose piece. All right, you guys, and these are actually the last pair that I got. Again, very excited about these. They're kind of like pretty similar to the pink ones, especially in the style. These ones are just a little bit more square, and these ones are a little bit more rounded, but obviously the color, completely different. We have a clear, I love these. I've always wanted a clear pair of glasses, and now I have them. I just think these are so cool looking. I love how the light reflects on them. And then these do also have gold in the back there as well, but just look at these, you guys. Okay, now I don't know which pair are my favorite. I thought the pink ones were my favorite, but these just may be my favorite. These are so cool. They're really different for me. Like I said, I've always wanted a clear pair of glasses. I just think they look so pretty. I don't know. And I feel like this style of glasses, like the clear, would go with literally any hair color, you know what I mean? Like this would go with any outfit, any hair color, any season. You can wear these literally all the time. I can't get over these. I think these are actually my favorite. Now that I'm like looking at them a little bit more, I'm like, yeah. I feel like honestly the rounder cat eye style is definitely my favorite, and I also feel like it suits my face shape the best as well. I have a little bit more of a rounder, you know, bigger face, and I feel like this style definitely suits it a lot better than these square glasses. But oh my goodness, you guys, like I said, just absolutely obsessed with these. So pretty. Again, you guys, quality wise, these feel absolutely amazing. I am literally in love with everything about these glasses. And again, no nose piece on these. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave these on for the rest of the video because I am clearly obsessed. I gotta say, you guys, I am super impressed. Honestly, these are probably the best quality glasses that I've ever tried in my entire life. They just fit so well and feel so nice. So yeah, I would say definitely go ahead and check Zeelool out. I'm gonna put all their information in the description bar below. Like I said, they have so many different options on their website. They're definitely gonna have a pair of glasses for everybody. Also, to make your shopping even better, I do have a discount code. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it up right on the screen here. I believe it's just my name, Morgan Leah, and you can go ahead and get 10% off with that discount code. But anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much, Zeelool, for partnering with me. I absolutely love the glasses, and I think you guys will too. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that, and it also really helps me out with my channel. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.